everybody, Rachel McAuliffe here from Empire Tax Professionals, and today I want to share a really quick story. We had a client, a business owner, who received a IRS notice for approximately $10,000. He called several accountants around the New York City area and said, hey, I got an IRS notice, what should I do? A lot of the accountants and the attorneys around the area said, there's nothing that you could do, all you need to do is just call the IRS and set up a payment plan. He gave us a call and said, I'm going to call one last accountant and see if I could get a last opinion. He gave us a call and I said, hey, do me a favor, come into the office, let me review your notice and see what I could do for you. We reviewed the notice and there was no specific details on the IRS notice. So we said, we need to do a compliance check for you. We called the IRS, found out what happened. It was an SFR return, which means that the IRS filed a tax return on his behalf without any tax deductions. So again, he has this tax bill of $10,000, not knowing any specific details. People gave him advice without no understanding or even calling the IRS. How can you even give advice without calling the IRS or giving any information or finding out any information? So we were able to call the IRS and find out it's an SFR return. So we said, hey, listen, you made, X amount of dollars. You probably do have some expenses. You have your rent, your phone bill, your internet, your gas, your car, specific expenses that you can reduce your liability with, right? He said, yes, I have that. I have my income, I have my expenses. Here it is. He gave us the information that we needed in order for us to file a tax return on his behalf. Once we submitted the return, we calculated that he was supposed to get a $5,000 refund. So just because you have an IRS bill for $10,000, you don't want to just pay that tax bill. You want to speak to an expert to make sure that the tax bill is accurate. You have a phone bill, you look at the bill and you see, is this accurate? You have a cable bill, you want to make sure that it's accurate. Even with the IRS notice, you want to confirm that it's accurate before you pay it. And if you don't know that it's accurate, you want to speak to a CFO. You want to speak to an expert to review the tax bill before you make a payment. Just because the IRS says you owe something doesn't mean it's always true. There are ways for you to reduce your liability legally, and if you have the right expert on your team, they can do it for you. So if you have any questions, let us know. Give us a call if you have an unexpected tax bill to see what we could do for you so we could reduce that tax bill for you. If you have a specific tax question about your tax needs, book a free consultation with us and we would love to help you.